Investing is risky business, but investing in cryptocurrency is on another level. So you should be taking extra care and making sure that you understand everything about the crypto that you are thinking about investing in, as well as what it can offer you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and in this video, I am going to be talking about a cryptocurrency that I would not touch with a 10-foot pole, let alone a single dollar that I own. Before I do, just as a reminder from my previous video on why not owning Bitcoin can be very dangerous, I am running a giveaway where I'm going to be giving away $100 of Bitcoin to a random winner at the end of March to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers. So if you did want to enter in it, all you need to do is be a subscriber to the channel, like the video down below, and leave a comment on what your favorite cryptocurrency is and why on any of the videos I release over the next month. And with that out of the way, as Philip DeFranco would say, let's just jump right into it. TRON, also known as TRX, is currently sitting at about number 20 on CoinMarketCap at the time of recording this video. This project is trying to build a digital content entertainment system, which is free and used globally, with the idea of easy and cost-effective sharing of digital content in mind. As a real-world example, think of the streaming services Amazon Prime and HBO Max, who offer their users content. These companies are owned by a governing entity who control and police the platform based on their views, their rules, and their policies. Now, these streaming services host content that is solely produced by them, but they also host content that is produced by others. Now, you, the viewer, let's say you want to watch that content produced by others. The way you would do this is by signing up or subscribing to that streaming service and by basically paying them a fee. Out of that subscription fee, the streaming service will take a cut and then provide the remaining money to the other producer, or the producer of the content that doesn't belong to that streaming service. In a nutshell, what TRON is trying to do is decentralize powerful corporations from owning the playing field by taking away power from the middleman. In simple terms, they are trying to provide decentralized storage that makes it easy to use and is cost effective by allowing anyone to host their content on their network, allowing users such as myself to pay the content creator directly without the middleman taking a cut. And while I do like the idea of the project, I do have some issues with how it has tracked in the past. The first point that I want to cover is that TRON's white paper was theoretically stolen, or for lack of a better word, plagiarized from another crypto. For those of you who don't know what a white paper is, it is created by the developers and the founders of the crypto to sell the project. This sparked massive controversy back in 2018 and was one of the first reasons why I decided not to invest in the project. When a company has billions upon billions of dollars being invested into it, trust is one of the most important qualities that needs to be upheld. The fact that they were proven to have stolen another crypto's work and presented it as their own was red flag number one. The second debacle that TRON faced was their Tesla giveaway, where the CEO of TRON went on livestream and picked a winner, then told everyone there was a mistake and downgraded the prize for the winner that they had selected to a trip to the TRON Summit in 2020. Here's the tweet. They then picked another winner, which was speculated to be a pre-selected winner. And after a bunch of backlash, they fixed the mistake by also giving a Tesla to the original winner that they had selected. So in short, TRON hosts a big prize draw with a Tesla as the grand prize. TRON pick a winner. The winner rejoices. TRON claims that there was a computer glitch. TRON pick another winner. Trust in TRON declining. Number 3 on my list is that last year in April, Justin Sun, the CEO of TRON, announced that they would be partnering with the Liverpool Football Club. Can you guess what I'm gonna say next? Big fat lie. The Liverpool Football Club responded and said they in fact did not have a partnership with the team at TRON. And then Justin Sun continued on by saying that the partnership was now official and that more details would be released soon. They weren't. And in the most recent news, MKBHD, or Marques Brownlee, for those of you who don't know him, he is one of the most popular tech YouTubers and reputable tech YouTubers on the platform, came out with a video basically describing what Dogecoin is, which has nothing to do with TRON. But in the video, he calls out TRON for emailing him allegedly and asking him to promote TRON. They, in that email, used examples of celebrities that they had already got on board to promote the product, such as Lindsay Lohan, Neo, and Lil Yachty, which seemed a bit sketchy. This again sparked controversy because after being asked if Tron had been paying celebrities to promote this product, Justin Sun, the CEO, denied it. Now I don't have proof, but you tell me, does Lindsay Lohan, Neo, and Lil Yachty seem like the type of celebrities who would promote this product for free? You know the answer to that, as do I. I don't even have to allege anything. I'll leave it with that. Put it together. Now I've kept the topics and the points that I've made about Tron very simple and very specific because I just wanted to dive into a few things that I've seen come up over the years which have made me lose trust in the project. They may not be true. I don't have any proof to actually prove these allegations. There's a wealth of resources out there. Do your research and make your own decision up based on what you read and what you see. At a glance though, if any of those claims were to be true, it should be clear that there are certain aspects of the people behind the project which are a little bit funky. I'll use the word funky. This is why I always recommend doing your own research and gathering information from multiple sources before deciding to invest in a cryptocurrency. Investing in anything, really, the logic applies to all of it. You're putting your money and trust into a company to do the right thing with it. To be honest, the fact that Tron is still hovering in the top 20 scares me a little bit. As a disclaimer, the claims against Tron and its founder that I have discussed in this video are all speculation. I am not a lawyer, I am not a financial advisor, I do not have proof of them. They are topics that I am interested in, things that I've come across and read, and I'm just having a discussion about them. At the end of the day, this cryptocurrency will probably continue to grow in price because any publicity is good publicity. I will sit back and watch from a distance and we'll see what happens. Overall, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I made you think about the topic and how you should approach investing in cryptocurrencies. Basically, do your research. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. And turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of the videos coming out over the next month. With that said, goodbye for now.